Have you ever gazed up at the clear night sky, feeling a quiet comfort as your eyes settle on the glowing moon? Pause softly. That distant luminous orb seems small and unchanging, but it holds a profound place in the story of our planet and our lives. The moon is more than just a bright circle in the night. It is a crucial companion whose influence shapes Earth in ways we often overlook. But what if, in an instant, the moon vanished? No dramatic explosion, no farewell light, just disappeared. What would happen to Earth, to the oceans, to life itself? How would this sudden loss change everything we know? Though it seems distant and silent, the moon's gravity pulls powerfully on Earth. Steady, thoughtful tone. It tugs on our oceans, creating the rhythmic rise and fall of tides, the heartbeat of our seas. These tides are far more than simple waves. They drive the currents that circulate heat, nutrients, and life across the globe. Without the moon, the tides would weaken by more than 70%. The oceans would grow eerily still, losing the vibrant energy that sustains countless marine species. Coral reefs, delicate and vital, could begin to perish. Fish populations might shrink or migrate away, and seabirds relying on these food chains could struggle to survive. This silent shift would cascade through ecosystems, reshaping coastal environments and threatening the balance of life. But the moon's role doesn't stop at the oceans. It acts as a cosmic anchor for our planet's tilt, the angle at which Earth leans as it spins through space. Calm, with gentle emphasis. This tilt, about 23.5 degrees, is what gives us the seasons, the warm summers, colorful autumns, crisp winters, and renewing springs. Without the moon's stabilizing pull, this tilt could wobble dramatically over centuries, swinging anywhere from 10 to 45 degrees. Imagine the consequences: wildly unstable climates, erratic weather patterns, and extreme seasonal shifts that would challenge every living thing. Some years, the planet might bake under relentless summer heat. In others, it might shiver in prolonged winters. Rivers that nurture civilizations might dry up, while ice caps could melt rapidly, disrupting global water cycles and agriculture. Over time, life on Earth would face unprecedented challenges, struggling to adapt to a planet in climatic turmoil. Now, imagine the night sky, our world's nightly canvas, without the soft silver glow of the moon. Softer, reflective tone. Nights would plunge into deeper darkness. The gentle light that once reflected off lakes and rivers would vanish, leaving shadows that seem endless. Countless creatures of the night depend on this lunar glow. Owls that hunt silently, wolves that roam under the moonlight, insects that navigate by its beams. Without it, their ancient rhythms would falter, upsetting food chains and migration patterns. Even humans would feel this loss. Research shows moonlight subtly influences our sleep cycles, helping regulate our internal clocks. Without it, many might face sleep disturbances, affecting both mental health and daily functioning. The moon also holds a place in our hearts and cultures that transcends science. Poetic, warm tone. For millennia, it has been a muse for poets and artists, a symbol woven into myths and legends across civilizations. Lovers have walked beneath its glow. Dreamers have found inspiration in its light, and children have wished upon it, hoping for magic. The moon connects us, not just to the cosmos, but to each other and to the deep stories that shape our humanity. Losing it would leave a profound emptiness, a loss not just of light, but of meaning. Would we recognize our own reflections in a sky without it? Could we hold on to that spark of wonder and beauty without our ancient companion? Though it hangs far above us, the moon's presence is woven into the very fabric of life on Earth, closing warmly. It is the silent guardian that grants balance and inspiration, a celestial heartbeat that guides the tides, the seasons, and the rhythms of nature and spirit. Its disappearance would be more than an astronomical event. It would mark the beginning of profound change, uncertainty, and loss for all living beings. So, next time you find yourself beneath a quiet night sky, take a moment to appreciate that silver light. It is more than just a glowing rock in space. It is part of the story of our planet and part of who we are. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get all the latest updates. Thank you for your support.